What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a very exciting day because we're actually driving into Santa Clemente Cars and Coffee. We've got something special right behind me in this trailer. You're going to see in just a few seconds, guys. I've got Shad with me from Chevrolet. How you doing, man?
Good, man.
I think this is one of the first Cars and Coffee events with the C8 Corvette, right?
It sure is. And this is the place to be. It's the largest one probably in the country.
Shad was telling me we're gonna roll up in style. We're waiting for like a crowd to build up. This is gonna be so much fun, guys. We're gonna experience what it's like to ride along in a new C8 Corvette. There it is, guys, a convertible version of the new C8 Corvette. I have to say, the orange in the sunlight, guys, it just looks incredible. It really is popping the sunlight, and actually, it is metallic, guys. I'm not too sure what I'm going to think about it because riding in a mid-engine Corvette, that is just so unheard of, right? That is just so different than what we're used to. And looking at it, I'll be honest, when I first saw it, it was hard for me to believe it was a Corvette because it just looks so exotic. And even right now, you can tell just how mean it looks in person, but riding in it, it's going to tell us so much about the car. Yes, I'm not going faster like that. We're going from here all the way over there to the Cars and Coffee location. It's going to be pretty interesting, guys, just to get a feel for what it feels like to sit in the car while it's moving. And I wonder if we're going to hear the engine behind us, how that's going to affect the cabin and the entire experience. You ready for this? This is going to be...
I'm ready.
This is going to be so exciting, guys. Let's go ahead and hop inside the C8 Corvette and experience what this car is going to be all about. So how do you open this? You just press this button right here. Okay. That's a nice feature. It's completely hidden away. This thing sounds so mean. And redline, so right now it's lower because the engine's cold, right?
Yes. The redline, yeah. About 6,000, I think.
Okay, I gotcha. Yeah. That's an awesome view right there. That's cool, so you can press both paddles and it goes into neutral basically. You can rev the motor.
Yeah, it disengages the clutch. I
wonder what people are going to think when they first see the C8 Corvette here, because you didn't tell anybody, did you? It's a pure surprise, right?
Yeah, it's a total secret. That's the best kind of way to do this, though. You know, just show up and sort of just nonchalantly pull in, park it like it's ours. You know,
this car just got revealed, guys, just a few days ago. This is an all-new model, and I think you're going to be lowering the top up here too, right?
Yeah,
you're going to show everybody. It sounds so mean. I'll be honest, guys, it feels very refined. It really does. Some cars that are performance oriented, you get inside of them and it feels like the entire car shakes, and it gives me the vibe that it is like a supercar, because after driving a 5.7, yes, this really does remind me of what it's like just to sit in it and just look around, because even in front of me, the hood is so low that it doesn't feel like any other Corvette ever. It's an entirely different experience, and I feel like we're sitting further forward too, right?
Significantly, yeah.
up, man?
Yeah. Get straight first.
Make my 488 look old.
Good?
And then here comes the top, guys. The top's going down.
Chad, you put the top down?
Yep. What's up,
Let's go,
man?
buddy.
Good, how are you?
Okay, guys, let's get on out. Button is right down here.
Hey, Doug, where are you?
This thing is just incredible. It reminds me a lot of McLaren's out there, if I can say that.
You got the first ride, huh?
Yeah, it's awesome, man. This thing is just so different.
I dropped my back seat vest and dropped the old driver out.
Option on 4-cylinder in there, buddy. Kind of.
So this is really nice that it goes on top of the engine. I don't know how it works, but this is still cool, so.
And there you guys have it. Huge crowd for this car. I definitely see why so many people are attracted to it. Just riding in it, it feels nice. What's also interesting is that every time he'd give it a rev, I just felt right behind me the engine shake, and the feeling completely transfers to where you're sitting. Now I will be riding with him on the way out. This is just basically the first intro, just pulling in. You're trying to make a statement, right, guys, and pulling down the top right there. It was definitely cool. This show, by the way, massive. This car is absolutely everywhere. This is the largest U.S. Cars and Coffee that is hosted weekly. And look at that, guys, over there. We have a new Toyota Supra. What do you think, Supra or 2020 GT500? Even with this 458 Spider, I can see how similar the new C8 Corvette is to this. The design right here just reminds me so much of the new C8 Corvette.
500 horsepower, this thing. Your 4 next to this.
And those are 21.
What do you guys think? Should we go with the coupe or the convertible? Me personally, I'm gonna stick with the coupe because I like seeing that, for example, the engine right behind me. Do you think the Chevrolet team, they're designing the new C8 Corvette, do you think they knew, like deep down, like this is gonna be the response when people see it in person finally?
I think that they knew it, and they were probably frustrated that they couldn't talk about it.
I think we're heading back out.
Yeah, so you rest your hand on that, and then you just spin it.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
You know what, guys? I think that was a hit. It's so surprising seeing how many people are just like in awe with this car. I'm just in total shock with it. And you know what, guys? When he just revved it just now, you definitely do notice the difference with the sound when the top is completely down, right?
Oh, yeah.
So right now this is normal mode, is that it?
I'm in Z mode.
Z mode, okay,
Yeah.
so that's a custom mode, right? You get to
Yes,
like,
so you get to turn on exactly how you want it to perform.
okay. And then for the Magna ride, you have different settings, right? So you have comfort mode, track mode, right?
Track mode, winter, eco, touring, sport.
So do you think on the track you're gonna notice a huge difference between the Magnarite and the normal car?
Oh, for sure.
For sure? Oh, okay.
Makes all the difference.
There you have it, a ride-along in the new C8 Chevrolet Corvette. I'm honestly just still in shock with this car. I can't wait to pick it up. And I was telling him, as soon as I pick it up, we're taking it straight to the racetrack, and we're going to compare it against all the other new cars out. It's going to be pretty interesting seeing how the mid-engine setup actually works when it comes to putting down the power. Okay, man, I really appreciate it. I'm super impressed. All my expectations so far have been completely met, and I think once I get in the car and actually drive it for myself and push it hard on the racetrack, that is when I'm truly going to experience what this car is all about and how good it really can be. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of the new convertible version of the C8 Corvette? Also, make sure to hit that like button if it really helps me out, and subscribe for much more great videos to come. I'll see all of you in the next episode.